And we're up. Hi, everyone. I'm Greg Karen, and this is my partner, Matthew Patience. And we also had a peer dad and Scott help us out on the project. So our project is called Control Your Airport. So the problem that we have currently in the States is that there are approximately about 5,000 flights currently up in the sky. It causes a lot of delays. There's a lot of problems with weather and debris, so we created something to visualize that problem, and this is the solution.
Yeah, so what we decided to do to solve this solution that's currently costing the U.S. a lot of money, obviously other countries, but they seem to have the most air traffic. So we decided to build a platform game for Android tablets that would allow the user to get into the role of an air traffic controller and experience the responsibilities and all the hectic air traffic that they have to manage and do so properly to avoid these delays. Some of them not their fault, some of them just things very difficult to handle. So let me set the atmosphere a little bit. I was on a flight back from New York yesterday, and the flight attendant walks by, and I have this on my tablet. And try explain to a flight attendant why you're drawing a picture of Pearson International Airport, putting red X's everywhere. It was a little bit creepy. But I was able to do some planning on the airplane, and we really focused on building a framework for getting crowdsourced information. And we obviously, there's a lot of information that can go to this game, a lot of airports, and so to do this game, we got users, we will be getting users to input the actual maps for all the airports by going to Google Maps, getting the different points of the runways, the taxiways, giving us the lat longs, and so there'll actually be a user interface that they can submit all this to, and that airport will actually show up as a new airport in the game. Admin panel's a little bit ugly right now, but that's something that could be improved in the future. And another thing that will be crowdsourced would be the challenges as well. So a user could actually go in and put a new challenge in where, say, at 10 seconds, a piece of debris flies on the runway, or at 30 seconds, a plane requests a landing. So what this allows for is just allowing us to grab historical data of situations that, had a lot of delays, allowing us to replay them, maybe a real air traffic controller replaying these situations and being able to see how they could have done it differently and prevented these delays.
So some of the gameplay that we were working on is to have all these alerts come up on the left side panel that are tasks that the player has to do, like clean up the debris. There's taxiing a lot of the airplanes, incoming, and controlling a lot of the weather. And in the future, we're thinking about looking at the weather APIs and different delays that we can kind of visualize for the users. That's about it. Thank you very much.